Hey everybody, this is Hinsh Productions, and I'm also going to be posting this on her channel. On your channel. You actually have a channel. It's going to be Elizabeth's Toy Chest. Elizabeth's Toy Box, Toy Chest. I think it's Toy Chest. Anyway, we got the new Fidgets in. Okay, one of the two more I'm waiting on. The new Fidgets came in. I don't know what it is, so this is a mystery unbagging.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going to go ahead and open it. We're going to spin them. We're going to see how it goes. Okay? Show them your spinner. Show them. See, you got that one, and Daddy's got this one, huh? You like your fidget spinner? You like that? Yeah. Okay, you ready? We're going to open this one. Hold on, hold on. I get it. She dropped it. Okay. So we got this one. Hold on, hold on. We got this one. Okay.
Okay.
And then we got this one. See? Okay, you ready to see what this one is?
Yeah.
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 These ones are heavy.
Yeah.
You're so silly. Okay. I can't open this package because it's from China. Ready? Boom! Look at those. Yeah, we're gonna open one.
Yeah.
Gold. They're the two-sided fidgets. They're gold. Want to spin it? Yeah. What do you say? Can Daddy spin it once?
Mine.
Let me see.
Let's try.
Hold on, hold on. Make sure it's tight. It's kind of got a shake to it.
Let's try. Let's try.
You try?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. You got it. Is that one small? Ta-da!
Mine.
Ta-da!
They're mine.
That one's yours?
No?
That one's mine, huh?
No?
This one's yours.
Uh-uh.
Can I see it real quick?
Yeah?
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, so you guys, mine is bigger than hers, if you guys can tell that by looking at that picture there. I mean, it's not really the greatest quality, but you can, mine is bigger. Okay, let's just put it that way. And compared to hers, this new one is a fraction of that size. Like, if we put it knob to knob, I'll let you make the judge for yourself. I'm gonna hold it the steadiest as I can. I mean, I guess it's a little bit bigger, but again, this one's got 3, that one's got 2.
Ahoy.
I think the gold one spins alright.
Ahoy.
I feel like it needs tightened, but you can hear it, so the noise isn't too bad. Hang on, we gotta see how long it spins, okay?
Okay.
Let me spin it, and we gotta let it run, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah! And then you can play with it. Ready? Don't touch. Run. We gotta let it spin. I just spun this one with my hands, so we're gonna see how fast. Oh. Stop. Hold on.
Hee-haw, hee-haw. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw.
This one still sounds really strong.
No.
You hear it? Do you hear it? Shh, listen. You hear it?
Yeah?
Goodness gracious. Nope, nope. You want to spin it?
Mm-hmm.
So this is at least a good 2 minutes. This thing is still going. I mean, I spun it pretty good, but hey, I mean, it's still spinning, so that's a positive thing. You like your fidget?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. By the way, you guys, if you have not been aware, I contacted a supplier on Amazon about their fidget. Nope, don't. And they actually have agreed to let me test out one of their fidgets, one of their fidget spinners. So in about 3 to 5 days, I'm going to be getting another fidget spinner in, and we're going to give that one a shot. Guys, this thing's been going on for like 3 minutes. Have I finally found a 3-minute spinner? I don't know. I have ADHD. I don't think she does, but she's a young child. Anything like this isn't amusing, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's still going. I mean, it's not fast, but it's still going.
See?
Yeah. And done. So that was about 3 minutes on just one good spin. Nice thing is if you want to clip it to your keychain and just play with it later, it has little clips. Little holes.
Hey.
Mine's better.
Hey.
Mine's cooler.
Mine.
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 All of ours.
Mine.
Yeah, for fidget spinners. Yeah.
Mine.
These are mine.
Mine.
That's yours.
Mine.
Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. If you guys don't mind hitting the like button, if you tell me which one you guys like the most. If you like the gold one, if you like the multicolored, which is hers, or if you like this metal one. This is made out of metal, so it's not cheap plastic. The covers are plastic. Is it removable? That's another question probably someone's going to ask. Yes, the middle is removable. So if you get it dirty, you can clean it out, but be careful cleaning it out. There's certain ways to do it. If you're a skater, like if you have ever greased your bearings, then obviously you know not to keep them super greased, grease them. But the centers are able to come out. That's what the bearings look like. You really can't see out of this camera quality. But that's in there. And we're going to screw that back on there. You're a booger. Don't forget, you guys, after I get all of my fidget spinners in, I will be doing a giveaway. We have a multicolored one. And we will be giving away one of the sealed... Stop. And we'll be giving away one of the sealed one of these. Okay? So when you guys... Once I get the last fidget spinner in, or the last 2 fidget spinners, we will be doing a giveaway. I might... You want to go?
No.
You want down? Okay, hold on. We will wait until the last one comes in, and then once it comes in, we'll go ahead and do a giveaway. And you guys can have one of the fidget spinners. Alright? So, thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. If you guys have to find her channel, it's going to be in the description as soon as I get a link to put it in the description. But it's called Elizabeth's Toy Chest. And this has been Hinsh Productions. And this is another fidget spinner unboxing. And say thanks for watching.
Bye.
See you later, guys. Thanks.